Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I know that I've been teasing a lot of people on Instagram. If you've not got me on Instagram, then you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. But I have bought a new car now. I'm watching here because it's actually right behind me. Ooh, there she is. In the last video I talked about why I was selling the M3 and why I'm selling everything. If you've not watched that video, there'll be a link in the description. No, it's not because I got in trouble with the police, and if you don't have a clue what I'm on about still, the link is in the description for that video as well. A lot of you have guessed correctly on Instagram, a lot of you have guessed incorrectly on Instagram. And does it seem like I'm taking ages in this intro just to try and get some tension? That's correct, I'm taking ages to try and get some tension. In the last video I mentioned about how I have basically just too many cars and I wanted to go back to a route of having one fucking sick one and then one crazy one for the channel. And we're going to do that. So I wanted to get rid of the M3. Now the M3 did everything and I love that car. Absolutely love that car. The only thing that let it down for me was the interior was crap. It is an Aux. It just wasn't that fast considering I'm paying that much in tax for the obviously for the V8 when it wasn't that fast. I didn't really use it to its full potential. That was a car that, you know, had to be driven crazy to be enjoyed. Where I just wanted something that just kind of did everything better. And this car does everything better than the M3, I believe, other than handle well. This doesn't handle well. You're probably all gonna fucking guessed it from that. So two cars have gone and this has replaced it. So without further ado, guys, let me show you the new baby. Yes, it's a C63. I've just got nettled, you bastard. Yes, it's a C63. I actually didn't know whether to get a pre-facelift or spend the extra money, which is quite a little bit extra money, or get a facelift. And the facelift's just, I mean, exterior wise, they don't look that different. They're a lot newer, they've got the different lights, but the interior is the main thing for me. The interior in the pre-facelift was just awful, and this is super nice. I've got everything there. I've got reversing camera, I've got heated seats, full electric seats, Harman Kardon sound, so everything's in there. And I've decided I wanted to go for the extra money to get the facelift. I just feel like it's just such a nicer car to be in. It's got a better engine in there, an updated gearbox. Not a better, it's the same engine, but it's just had some issues fixed. And at this point, I just want to say huge thank you again to Global Motors. I wouldn't have got this car without them. I wouldn't have had the M3 without them. Every time I want a new car, I just get straight onto Chris at Global Motors and he fucking sorts me out so much. They're actually based down in Plymouth, but don't fall into the trap of that. If you're not local, they won't help you. I'm in Essex and I was in Manchester and they've helped me out with every single car. So I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, these cars wouldn't be possible without you, Chris, from Global Motors. So thank you so much, Chris, from Global Motors. Yeah, here it is, a C63. Why did I want one of these over the M3? I'm already paying £600 a year tax on the M3 and it's a 4-litre V8. Why the fuck do I not just get the biggest fucking V8 production you can pretty much fucking get, which is a 6.2, 6.3, everyone fucking call it. 6.3 litre V8. This is the edition 125. This comes with 480 horsepower from standard. And oh my god, is it so much faster than the M3. Fucking horses, mate. It's scared me to death. Normally I get a car, do a video straight away. With this, I kept it for the whole day, and then today is tomorrow. I don't know, it makes sense. And I'm so glad because last night I drove it for about 3 hours and I kind of got used to the car, and oh my god, it is so much fun. It's addicting and it sounds the bollocks. So this car has got rid of two. And then we're going to get a nice, sick project car for the channel, which all you guys, I know I've got a lot of young viewers, something that you can relate to pretty much. I've got an idea of one of the 4 cars I'm going to buy, just waiting for the right one to pop and we're going to get it for the project car. But this was stressful getting this, so let's say, well, a lot of my time for the past 2 or 3 weeks has gone into getting this, but here she is. She's fucking beautiful, mate. Now I actually was looking for one in black because I was going to wrap it. She found one in black, but that one fell through. I just couldn't say no to the white. And now I've got the white in front of me. It's like the diamond pearl. it's fucking beautiful in the sunlight, and I don't know if I want to wrap over it or not. My plan was to get one of these and just do something crazy, crazy wrap, you know, and take it to shows and stuff. I never as the main car, and then have something like track orientated. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me know if what you guys, would you rather see it white for a little while, or you know, for good, or would you rather me wrap it straight away? I'll just see how I get on with it first, do some mods and then wrap it. Let me know what you'd want to see. A lot of people say wrap doesn't hurt paint, but you know, every experience I've had with wrap, it's hurt the paint. So yeah, it's difficult to make a decision on that basis. When I first picked it up, I wasn't this excited when I first picked it up, which is usually the wrong way around. When I first picked it up and drove it home, I was like, yeah, you know, it's good, yeah, it's good. I was just worried about it having issues or something. I don't know, I get paranoid when I spend a lot of money on a car. So what are we in? I don't know where this clip's gonna go in the video, because I used to do like this in the intro bit, but I reckon a lot of people will be able to guess what it is. Actually, my ND filter's doing the bits right now. I don't think you'll be able to tell. What am I in, everybody? It's been a very stressful week trying to source one of these cars. I actually thought they were way more common than they actually are. I'm trying to find one to buy. It's a pain. But nonetheless, we've got one. It's actually pissing it down. I actually want to do a reveal today, but it's absolutely pissing it down. So this is the thing, I'm filming now while I've got a little bit of excitement. Well, I will still have excitement. This car is the bollocks! But then after driving it all day yesterday, today, oh god, fucking absolutely in love with it. Absolutely in love with it, and my neighbours aren't going to be happy because the cold starts. It's stupid. Here we are, seats are beautiful, lovely interior, automatic gearbox, no pissing about with fucking manuals. Oh, it's great. Absolutely love it, guys. Absolutely love it. In the last video I talked about getting something relatable for the channel. Don't worry, this was not it. Something for the channel will come very soon. When I find one that pops up that does it, that ticks all the boxes. Right now, I'm struggling to find one of them. It has only got a few mods, so as far as I'm aware, it's still got the centre section, it's still got the back boxes, it's just got the secondary decats, and I think that's it. That's all. I don't think it's been mapped. So it's actually quite a good start. So I didn't want one that was like stupidly modified. I wouldn't have to do anything. Wouldn't be able to do anything myself. Pretty sure it's on standard suspension. It's all standard other than then secondary decats, which is awesome. So first thing will be maybe making it a little bit louder, and then getting a map on it, and maybe doing some intake stuff. But my god, out of the box, these cars are fucking insane. Like 480 brake from a car standard, 6.2, 6.3 litre V8. Oh, it's awesome. We'll get a little bit of a cheeky start up now. Like I say, it's not the loudest thing in the world. It is when you're revving it, but I'm in a quiet bit, so I don't want to do too loud, but it's just a nice amount. It is warm, don't worry. Oh, thank you again to Greenlight Insurance. Obviously I have all my cards insured with Greenlight. It never causes any issue when I get all the cars. They put them on, I get a banging deal. And if you actually want to get your car insured with Greenlight, if you just refer Lee Lockwood either on the website when you do it online or on a phone call, you'll get a discount for Greenlight for referring from me. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. There are going to be some mods on this, but don't worry, this isn't going to be the main channel car. You might not see this all the time. You might see this now and again, a little bit like the M3, but a little bit more. So I've actually got things to do to this, unlike the M3. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned to see what car we're getting next as the second car. Sick. Thanks, guys. I love you all. See you next time.